morning.
Morning, everyone. Morning, Adam. You look so happy.
Yeah. I'm more tired today than I woke up at 6 a.m., so I should say something.
So today we're gonna be doing a lot of land tours. I don't know which one we're gonna be doing first, but it's gonna include the Chocolate Hills. It's going to include the man-made forest, the Tarsiers, a canal that you get to go on a boat and have dinner on. And then I believe there's also a python and butterfly garden that we're also going to do. And then there's a church that we're gonna see. And then zip lining. And then a blood compact pact, I think it's what it's called. It's a statue. So I believe those are all the things that we're gonna be doing today. And we're going to be vlogging it. So see you guys later today. And we are gonna be in a group of 13. We'll see you guys then. So that was pretty cool, but I'm not gonna touch no python. Are you? Yeah, that's what I think any state,
I'm gonna go touch it.
Oh shoot, Adam's actually gonna do it. And now we're gonna do some ATVs. I didn't do this last time we were here, so this time it's gonna be different. It's definitely different from the last time I was here, so that's a good thing because I'm not re-experiencing the same thing. But the ATVs, those ones are 1,000 pesos. If you want the other one that they have, which is a 2-passenger one, that one's going to be 2,000 pesos. That's for packet 1 and it's only for an hour. If you want to do 2 hours, it's going to be double. So for the ATV, it's going to be 2,000, and then for the 2-passenger one, it's going to be 4,000. It comes with the tour guide and then 30 minutes at each spot that you go to. There's one that's going to be a 360 panoramic view of the Chocolate Hills. So we get to go all the way up there and see it in person. Now, I heard that it's going to be very muddy. We will see how muddy it will get. And good luck to my shoes and to my feet. Let's see you guys soon. What do you think, Adam? Do you think it'll rain?
No. I'm gonna manifest that it's gonna be sunny as fuck.
We are about to get on. Yes, sir. It is super mud. Oh, Adam.
That's scary.
It's so good. Sacrifice, but it's worth it, huh, Adam?
I guess so. It's worth a traumatic brain injury.
We just hit our first point. How do you feel?
Chocolate Hills.
So we're gonna walk all the way up there. I don't know how long it is, but it's gonna be really, really tiring. But look at the view that we get.
The guy is asking if you guys wanna go up
with ATVs.
Yes.
So yeah, we had to walk up there, unfortunately, without the ATVs. But you guys are gonna have some good drone footage right now, so see you guys up there. do you think of the view?
It's breathtaking. Literally breathtaking. Busted.
So the reason why these are all filmed, or formed, I mean, is because 2 million years ago, it was actually, this was all covered with water, and then over time it just slowly went down, right? And I believe there are 1,268 mounds, so it's pretty cool. I believe it crosses 50 meters, square kilometers, I believe, of just mounds. Just mounds of these hills. So during the dry season, it's considered the chocolate hills because all the greenery that you see right now during the wet season dies down, and then they form these Hershey-like colored hills. So it's pretty cool, and it's also considered one of the eight mysteries of the world. But due to science, that's what it has for the explanation of these hills. And then another thing that I read about is that there's 2 legends about these hills, how they were formed. So the first one, there's these 2 giants that were fighting each other, and they were throwing boulders at each other. So each of these mounds considered where the boulders were planted. And then the second one was this guy was digging for something for his lover, and he just left these mounds of dirt. So those are the 2 myths that they had about it. But the sciencey one, I already explained it to you guys. And this is where the ATVs were. I'm trying to find the hill that we went up. I believe it's this one, just on the other side. So it's pretty cool. And to enter in here is only 1,000 pesos per person, which is $2. Not bad. Our next stop are the Tarsiers. liking it so far? How'd you like your trip here in Fungal?
Oh, tiring, but it was amazing. I hate to leave.
So yeah, this is our last night here, and I don't think I caught any footage of what it looks like during the nightlife, so I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, Adam, your rate, today's our last day, right? What is your rating of Fungal from scale 1 to 10?
9.5. 9.5. It's all 9.5.
Where's that 0.5 going to?
What do you think?
Yeah, that's my thank you.
What do you think?
Okay.
But everything else.
But everything else, did you like the places we went to?
Loved
and everything?
Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
What'd you think of the water?
It was good until I got itchy. I don't know why. But
Oh yeah, at night he was getting itchy for some reason. I really wasn't.
That's just being honest. But once in a lifetime experience on some real stuff.